Okay, we're gonna mosey around Tomorrowland. Let's go. Oh, the people mover. We're coming for you too. But it's time first to try something new. The Cherry Cola Churro. Gotta get online for it though. So I am now at Astrofizz, sponsored by Coca-Cola. You know how I feel about Disney Coke. And the Cherry Cola Churro has my name written all over it. Cannot wait. The Cherry Cola Churro is a churro rolled in cherry sugar, drizzled with Coca-Cola cherry icing, and topped with cherry popping candies. $7.49, can't beat that. Try that out. The Cherry Cola Churro. Here we go. Popping candies, cherry cola icing. Very crunchy. Different. Good. It's good. It's really sweet. That's like a 2. It's good. I'd get it again, but it's good. If you like crunchy, sweet, and popping candies, get it. If you don't, there's other things too. Okay, now it's time for Carousel of Progress. It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. All-time favorite. This cannot be missed, man. It cannot be missed. It's also a good place for an 18-minute nap in the air conditioning and just chilling out. When you know, you know.
He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit. Millions of people came to see it. And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater. You know, Walt loved the idea of progress, and he loved the American family.
True for you and me, so there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
It looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories. And moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about 2 brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption.
Sophie, go ahead.
Oh, yes.
Any Chippendale or Hinsdale?
I don't think any of us do. That's because we keep them. No.
I have everyone else too. I have Goofy, I have
So we
Pluto.
can't, we don't have them because we don't want people to think that they can
We like to keep them on.
They're precious
take
value.
them. They're precious. Limited. You are too such a great way. We would never do that for you guys. Oh. I like your...
selfie?
Can we take a picture? She's got him too.
Oh, bring it in.
All right.
Me? All right. I love you, buddy.
I'll bring it in. You want a selfie? Oh, can we get a hug? She wants a selfie. You gotta say something. There's some photo of y'all.
Ready? Good. You go first. One more for me. So you first.
Yeah, go.
Just trying. Come here. Oh, that's good.
Got it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks. Have a great day.
All right. Monsters Inc. 3. Carousel of Progress. 3. Tim Tracker. 3. The Churro. The Churro was really good. I'm gonna up it to a 3 now that I'm thinking about it. It was really tasty. I would get it again. I would. But not over like a cheeseburger. Spring roll. We're gonna head over to Mine Train now. And then after Mine Train, we'll figure out what to do next. Like I said, just taking our time, strolling along, doing the mosey Ozy. Heading on to Mine Train. Whoa. It's a fast, furious trip through the 7 Dwarfs Mine. Dwarfs. Yes, don't say it too loud though. Okay, we're gonna head in and then maybe I'll get a little footage on this one. What do you say? All right, sounds great. My legs right now are so close together, it's unreligious. Oh my God. I know. Oh my God. It hurts so bad. Matt, please be over. It's over, right? Please be over. I'll never go on this again. I swear to God, if you get me, God, this is a dear God moment. If you get me through this without any more pain, I will. I'll stop drinking Disney Coke. And I guess what? I know it's not gonna happen because I'm in so much pain. And I pulled the bar down like a little too far. I thought they wouldn't let me on.
No, they don't care. It doesn't have to be tight.
Oh my God, you shut up. Oh my God, Diz Drabbers, if I don't come back, call the president. Call him. Tell him that I love my family. And that, is it over? It's not over. Oh, okay, please God, this is over, right? Please God, let it be over. Oh my God, I'm in so much pain.
Again like that.
Okay. 2 words, never frickin' again.
You okay?
No.
Me and you can go.
Hi ho, hi ho. All right, so we're at Pinocchio Village Haus after my brush with death, and I have here buffalo chicken flatbread, which I have heard mixed reviews from so many different people. But you know what? So many people don't like certain movies that I love. So I gotta do me and make my own decision. All right, the flatbread seems like a normal like pizza flatbread, like for the kids' pizza. Oh, I don't hate it. No, it's good. What I like about it is that it's like a grilled chicken, pulled. Like the chicken is shredded, and the sauce is good. I'm gonna give this a 3 because I actually like this. But I like this even more. Matt got the chicken parm sandwich. It looks like a normal chicken parm sandwich. Roll looks adequate. The chicken looks like the chicken tenders that Disney normally gives. What did you give it? 1, 2, 3, 2-ish? Okay. All right, so Matt thinks it's a 2. It doesn't sound solid on that one. There it is. All right, so I don't know how to attack this except just to attack it. It's a normal chicken parm. It might be a little bit better than normal only because of Disney chicken fingers. And the sauce is average. Yeah, you're right. It's like a 2-ish. It like wants to be a 2. You know what I mean? But it's like 1.8 kind of deal. Not bad. I'll give it a 2 just because I don't not like it. But I get it again? No. But the flatbread, buffalo flatbread, yeah. Matt agrees.
That's what you call self-awareness. Welcome back to the world famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Tim. I'm gonna be your gift wrapper, your list checker, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swim instructor. We're
Got it.
on our 12-day journey here in the beautiful Amazon rainforest. Folks, you know why the Amazon rainforest is Santa's favorite forest? All the reindeer. Come on, bro. If you look coming up on our right, you're gonna see 2 beautiful monarch butterflies. Everyone say whoa. Now, fun fact, they grow anywhere from 1 foot to a whopping, get this, 12 inches. Yeah, that's why I call them the rulers of the jungle. Oh, folks, look, we found Inspiration Falls. Everyone say, where's the water?
Where's the water?
Well, you see, much like what I do every Christmas season, I forgot to pay the bills. Yeah, so they cut my water off. But everyone say, whoa!
Whoa!
Everyone say, yikes!
Yikes!
Everyone pass Skipper Tim $50.
Do you want it back on?
And my friend Sully's place, you know what they say? It's better you eat the fish than they eat you. Am I right?
Yeah!
Thank you. Okay, all the skippers said they're up. Guys, it's like last Thanksgiving, no one showed up.
Denial.
I just told you we're in Africa. Okay, let's keep going. If you look over here, we have the nicest animal in the entire jungle. The top of Santa's list, the African bull, and everyone sing it! But wait, over here we have the naughtiest animal, it is evil twin. Everyone sing it! The beautiful, the legendary, the awesome Santa Unite, the Holly and the Jolly, brother, son of the
Let me tell you what. Just went on Jingle Cruise. Skipper Tim was great, and let me tell you, he had some awkward moments because some of the kids, you could tell, just were not brought up right. The things they were saying to him, and the parents sat there ignorant and didn't like correct them or say anything. Like, I mean, I get that they have to put up with things like that, but that's not right. When the parents sitting there also, like, you know what? Shut that kid up. Anyway, Jingle Cruise, it was fun. It was okay. It's not comfortable. It's like one of the least comfortable rides ever. Like ever. Now I gotta find out where we're going next.